Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel WordWise Tutorials. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, 10 common yet often mispronounced names from around the world. Whether you're a traveler, a global citizen, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's get started. Name 1, Siobhan. First up is Siobhan. Originating from Irish, it's pronounced as Siobhan. Remember, it's all about that sh sound at the beginning. Name 2, Aoife. Next, we have Aoife, another beautiful Irish name. It's pronounced Efa. Think of it as he like in his C and hefe like in a far dot. Name 3, Eve. Moving to a French name, Eve. It's pronounced Eve. It's short and sweet, just like the fashion icon Yves Saint Laurent. Name 4, Anaïs. Anaïs, also French, can be tricky. Pronounce it as Naïs. The key is in stressing each syllable. Name 5, Joaquin. Joaquin, a Spanish name, often trips people up. Say it as Joaquin. Remember that a J in Spanish often sounds like an English H a dot. Name 6, Saoirse. Back to Irish with Saoirse, like the actress Saoirse Ronan. It's pronounced Saoirse, rhyming with inertia thought. Name 7, Oisin. Oisin, another gem from Ireland, is said as Usheen. The O is soft, almost like a U dot. Name 8, Niamh. Niamh, also Irish, is simpler than it looks. Pronounce it Niamh. It's like leave, but with an N a dot. Name 9, Ewan. Ewan, yet another Irish name, is pronounced Owen. Yes, just like the common English name Owen. Name 10, Aisling. Finally, Aisling, an Irish name meaning dream or vision, is pronounced Aisling. It's a ash like the residue from fire and ling has an lingering dot.